my name is Leong Mei Cheung. I'm 27 years old. I started my college 2014, and during the third year of my degree, 2016, I started to become more pressure. We have to attend online classes because our lecturers are from America. So I feel like I'm studying every day and there's no rest, and I didn't go outside. I didn't have any entertainment. I just stay at home and study. So slowly the pressure is piling up and I started to have negative thoughts. At the beginning, it's not that bad, but it's become worse day by day. I'm feeling very tired every day. My body is very heavy. When I go to sleep at night, I don't hope to wake up the next day, so I could sleep forever, and I feel like there's no hope for me to live on. There's no reason for me to live on. I just wanted to escape the reality. When I was sleeping, I suddenly woke up because I realized that I wasn't breathing and I was gasping for air and my heart rate increased. I didn't realize that I had stopped breathing for a moment. During this time, actually, I don't know that I'm having depression. I become so quiet and I just kept everything by myself. I'm thinking, why do I have to suffer? Is it because we're born to this world, we have to suffer? So I actually had hatred towards the God at some point. In 2018, my mom's friend introduced her to Bodhi Meditation. She come to Tain, and she knows that there's this health and happiness retreat class. My mom doesn't know that I'm in depression, but she just thinks that I'm very quiet, and she thinks maybe this class could help me. So she brought me here. On the 5th day of the class, I remember that I saw a video of Master. He talked about the famous actor Leslie Cheung. His life was miserable and he has depression, and so he commits suicide. When Master talked about his feelings, I feel like he was talking about me because I also having the same miserable life. Then I had so many negative thoughts and I was crying because I felt the same way as Leslie Cheung. After that, Master mentioned about when we have no courage to live or when we lose hope to live, we could chant the Jing Pu Di Sen Jing. With that, it will provide us, give us more courage to live on. After I read the Jing Pu Di Sen Jing, I gained more confidence and I have more courage to live on. There's nothing to worry about anymore. All the negative thoughts are gone and I just felt so happy and my body felt so light. I felt very happy. I could laugh from the bottom of my heart since I can't remember how long I laughed so much. I just have the courage to live and I don't feel like committing suicide or sleeping forever anymore. Right now, I'm working at a company that's selling cars spare parts, and I'm working at a sales department. Every day, I have to face a lot of challenges, a lot of problems and issues. But with Jing Pu Di Sen Jing, I enjoy the progress, solving all the problems. Just like in Jing Pu Di Sen Jing, 我喜欢挑战，我勇于承担. These are the keys that really provide me a lot of courage to solve all these problems. Lastly, I hope teenagers or whoever who are facing depression come and join our meditation class and also chant this Jing Pu Di Sen Jing. I hope you will have more courage to live on and live a happy life like I do right now. And of course, I really thank Grandmaster that he gave me a second chance to live and he taught me Jing Pu Di Sen Jing. Really thank Grandmaster for giving me this opportunity to share this. I love you.